everyone, this is Bhavani. Welcome to my channel Avocado Meets Egg. Today I'm going to talk about macros and how you can use these macros to achieve your fitness goals. Like we all know, our body does a lot of things and food is our fuel. Food gives us energy and variety of vital nutrients to perform body function. Basically, the food that we eat is of two kinds. One which gives us energy and which we consume in a large quantity, and that is macronutrients. And the other for maintaining health, called micronutrients. These are consumed in smaller quantities, and these are nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, iron, zinc, etc. Macros, which are also called as macronutrients, give us energy or the calories. So these are of three kinds: carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Our body needs certain amount of each of these nutrients to perform essential activities and to properly function. Now let me talk about how you can leverage these macros to attain your goal. Your goal can be anything. It can be fat loss, weight gain, or just maintain healthy diet. Traditionally, we have seen a lot of people use just calories for tracking their progress. But do you think just calories is enough? Don't you see, calories is just a number which tells you how much amount of energy you get from that food. Our body processes carbs, fats, and proteins very differently. Each of these macronutrients give us different amount of energy and they perform different functions. Carbohydrates are quick source of energy and proteins are building blocks. Fats provide us with essential fatty acids. And coming to the energy profile, carb provides 4 calories per gram. Fats provide 9 calories per gram and proteins provide 4 calories per gram. Tracking macros help you achieve your goal much faster than just calories. Like it is said, calories is just not calories. So better use macros instead. So first of all, you need to set your macro goals, and I will talk more about these in my future videos. Once you have your goals set, you can eat whatever within your macronutrient allowance to help achieve your weight loss goal or weight gain goals. It is like you are given 3 different size of bowls, one for carbs, one for fats, and one for proteins. So you can fill it up with whatever you need, but you can eat as long as it fills the cup. On my Avocado Meets Egg page, you will find recipes with all the macronutrient information, and you can use these information to track your calories. And also, if you notice, I have provided the macronutrient information for each of the ingredients as well, because everyone cooks differently and everyone uses ingredients differently. I have listed out this information so that you can customize your food and you know what goes in it. Now let me show you how you can use this information and track calories. So open up Google and look for macros calculator. Then click the very first link. Let's set the age to 25, female, height 5.4, weight 130 pounds. Let's say she exercises 1 to 3 times a week and the goal is to maintain weight. Hit calculate. You see that the daily target is 111 grams protein per day, 242 grams of carbs per day, 52 grams fats per day, and total calories she can consume is 1815. Now let's say she drinks blueberry lassi. After drinking blueberry lassi, she has consumed 9.7 grams of proteins, 36 grams of carbs, 8.4 grams of fats, and 246 calories. Now let's say for lunch she has a paneer burrito bowl. So after consuming paneer burrito bowl, she has consumed 34.2 grams proteins, 86 gram carbs, 41.1 gram fats, and 837 calories. And then let's say she consumes another meal in the day, putane curry with rice. In this image you see that only the putane curry caloric value is listed out. So if you look into the description of this video, you will find the caloric details with rice. After consuming this meal, she stands at 41.1 grams protein, 134.3 grams carb, 48.8 grams fats, and 1240 calories. And then let's say like in a day she consumes avocado sev puri. After eating avocado sev puri, we see that she has eaten 48.4 grams proteins, which is less than 111 grams. She needs to eat protein rich food. Next we see that the carbs are 191.4 grams, which is also less than 242 grams. That means she can still eat food which is carb rich. But then you see that fats are 61.8 grams, which is more than 52 grams per day. So this means she has consumed more of fats. So she has to make some adjustments to make sure that she doesn't consume a lot of fat. And the total calories are 1611, which is less than 1815 calories. So she is well within her caloric range. This way you can track macros and make sure that you eat food which helps you reach your macro goals. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will add more such informative videos and a lot of recipes are gonna come up.